Audio Jungle.
BMW has begun production of its i4 electric sedan, signifying the first four-door electric vehicle to come from the manufacturer's Munich plant. Built alongside the internal combustion engine and mild hybrid-powered 3 Series, the i4's production required an extra €200 million investment from BMW to develop and prepare its factory for the EV. While its powertrain and other ancillaries are different to the existing ICE models, BMW says around 90% of the i4's cosmetic features are carried over from the current lineup, with the floor assembly and rear end accounting for the new tooling required. With aims to phase out ICE vehicles from the Munich plant from 2024, this will allow BMW to focus on meeting its 2030 target of 50% electrified vehicles, although its biggest push for EVs is coming from the Chinese market, with at least 12 fully electric vehicles planned to be on sale in the country by 2023. BMW also said the i4 is an important trailblazer for its new E-Class platform, set to be BMW's first scalable electric architecture, which will reduce costs by allowing its EV models to utilize a universal base. An all-new electric sedan is set to be unveiled by BMW in 2025, potentially as a replacement to the ICE-powered 3 Series, while featuring solid-state battery technology. The i4 is set to go on sale in Australia next year, with the entry-level eDrive 40 carrying a price of $99,900 before options and on-road costs, as the range-topping M50 will retail for $134,900.